So when you're looking on a screen, and I know you won't be able to see it, but we'll see it on here later, this is how simple it is to use. I just drag it across the surface, and the objects will start showing up automatically, right? So I can see here, as an example, that there's an object. And by the way, it's highlighted red that there's a live wire, so I know that there's something dangerous behind there. So it just makes it easier for a customer to do it very quickly by themselves, and so they don't have to wait for a contractor to come out. After I do a scan on this concrete block, I need to now visualize that. And how do I make it very easy to see? So what I can now do is I can now have a 3D image to look around as if I was sitting inside of the concrete on the job site. Okay? So in this case, remember I showed you, I talked about that there was a live wire coming through? You can see this highlighted red area, that's now the object or the place you shouldn't go. So if I was analyzing this data, I can say, okay, at this location, which is here, I can mark it on the ground and now be safe. Okay? But now the important part of the software update. So we can do this live out in the field, but with the software update, we can now export this data to a CAD file. So for customers that are trying to update their as-built file or as-built plans of their job site, they can now import this data directly into their CAD file. So it's a 3D image.